Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. How to copy YouTube video link in laptop, PC, or desktop. Open YouTube and play the video which you want to copy the link. Also make sure to subscribe the channel. Here is the video URL and just copy this and use this where you want.
Hey, welcome to.
You can also get video URL from this button. And also share video directly with others from here. You can also set video timing from here.
Hey, welcome to.
For more easy to understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.